India is renowned for its advanced medical facilities and skilled healthcare professionals, particularly in the field of cardiac surgery. When it comes to heart-related treatments, choosing the right hospital and specialist is crucial for a successful outcome. In this video, we will explore the top 10 best cardiac surgery specialist hospitals in India, their expertise, costs and success rates. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon is a multi-specialty hospital known for its advanced cardiac care facilities. The hospital offers a range of packages for cardiac procedures to cater to different patient needs. Medanta has a high success rate in complex cardiac surgeries, making it a preferred choice for many patients. Fortis Escorts Heart Institute, New Delhi is a leading cardiac care hospital with specialized cardiac surgery units. The hospital offers competitive pricing for various cardiac procedures. Fortis Escorts has a track record of successful cardiac surgeries and innovative treatment approaches. Apollo Hospitals, Delhi is a renowned healthcare institution with a dedicated cardiac surgery department. The hospital provides cost-effective cardiac surgery options without compromising on quality. Apollo Hospitals has a proven track record of successful outcomes in cardiac surgeries. Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad is a leading healthcare provider known for its expertise in cardiac care. The hospital offers affordable cardiac surgery options, making it accessible to a wide range of patients. Marengo Sims Hospital has consistently delivered high success rates in cardiac surgeries. Max Super Specialty Hospital, Saket is a state-of-the-art facility providing advanced cardiac care. The hospital offers competitive pricing for cardiac procedures, ensuring quality care at affordable rates. Max Super Specialty Hospital has a strong track record of successful cardiac surgeries and positive patient outcomes. Aster Medcity, Kochi is a premier medical institution in India known for its state-of-the-art facilities and highly skilled cardiac surgeons. While Aster Medcity offers subsidized rates for domestic patients, the costs for international patients may vary. Aster Medcity boasts impressive success rates in cardiac surgeries, with a high level of patient satisfaction. Sir H. N. Reliance Foundation Hospital, Mumbai is a leading healthcare destination known for its comprehensive cardiac care services. The hospital offers transparent pricing for cardiac procedures, helping patients make informed decisions. Sir H. N. Reliance Foundation Hospital has a reputation for achieving excellent outcomes in complex cardiac surgeries. Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore is a trusted name in the healthcare industry, known for its expertise in cardiac surgery. The hospital offers cost-effective cardiac treatment options without compromising on quality. Manipal Hospitals has a track record of successful cardiac surgeries and positive patient experiences. Artemis Hospitals, Gurgaon is known for its advanced cardiac care facilities and skilled cardiac surgeons. The hospital provides transparent pricing for cardiac procedures, making it convenient for patients. Artemis Hospital has a track record of successful outcomes in cardiac surgeries. KIMS Hospitals, Hyderabad is a leading healthcare provider with a specialized cardiac surgery unit. The hospital offers competitive pricing for various cardiac procedures, ensuring affordability for patients. KIMS Hospitals has a history of achieving high success rates in complex cardiac surgeries. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in cardiac surgery in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.